think the keys might still be in here. No, I've got keys, right. Right, what's he got on there? Oh no! 150,000. Be shut up. Oh, bananas. Banana. One N, two N's. I want some bananas. They're not green. That's right. Have we got a freezer here? Well, I believe they might have. So we've got ice cream, magnums, crunchies, dairies, nothing fancy. Got ice cream, £4 a tub's not too bad, is it? Ain't got Dulcilicious though. Should we just have Magnum Classics? Just have one of them. No. Good on quite a lot for an ice cream. It's free in there. Let's pay.
Thank you.
Oh, I love that stuff.
No. Customer man, customer talking night time man. And number 4 fuel, please. Not for that, no, thank you. I will need a receipt for fuel, please. Oh, remember that one. There is one I don't know.
So registration number?
Is Yankee Oscar 19 Kilo Foxtrot X-ray.
X-ray?
I think. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. No fuel. And can I have 10 number 14 scratch cards, please? Thank you. I do need a bag.
Need a bag, sir?
No, I'm okay, thank you.
10 and 14.
10, 14, yeah. Oh no, 10.
14, 10.
Yeah, sorry. I suppose I should have said 10 times 14, innit? I'm just so tired. I was at work since like 5 o'clock this morning. So.
Next please, mate. From 5. 43.92. Thank you.
That's good. No, one of them's yours still. I'm not going to let you get into trouble.
It's 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, that's lovely. Thank you.
Thank you. It's a 28.90, please.
Okay, pay card.
Yes, please.
It probably asked me to tap twice. Oh,
Ah,
worked.
Okay.
Oh no,
got
no. Did that go through or not?
Yes,
It has, yeah. Sometimes it asks me to put my fingerprint on, you see. Alright, cheers for that.
Thank you.
Oh, bed with chocolate and ice cream and bananas. That's what I want. A Range Rover. Someone's nicked the R. Get duped, mate. I've got to paint this bike again, I'll tell you. It's getting tatty looking. I don't want a tatty looking bike. Let's make it look posh. There we go.